Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time with Fix Safari can open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So let's start. First option, it's going to settings and check if your Wi-Fi is connected. You have to check your connection on Wi-Fi, if this is working and if the connection is okay. So that's the first option. Also, you have to check your cellular data if this is connected to internet and is working well. In case that you don't have Wi-Fi, you have to check your cellular data. If this is not working, let's go to the Safari option. So just scroll down and let's go to Safari. Here on Safari, just scroll down a little bit and then let's go to the option that says prevent cross setting. Just deactivate it. And when you deactivate it, you have to scroll down and clear history and webs tab. Okay, just click there and this will be remove everything from Safari. So that's another option. And the last option is checking if Safari is using your mobile data. How you can do it? Just go to cellular and then just scroll down and looking if Safari is activated. If this is deactivated, you have to activate it. Okay, so that's the 3 tips for fix it. I hope one of these tips helps you to fix the problem on your Safari. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.